How to become a millionaire in 5 simple steps. Making your first million may seem like a far-fetched dream, but it can be a reality if you are willing to commit to a clear plan and work hard. In this article, we will show you 5 basic steps that can help you reach your financial goal. 1. Set your goal and plan it. The beginning is by setting a clear financial goal. How much do you want to earn? And when do you want to achieve it? Then, create a financial plan that includes an accurate budget in which you distribute your income between expenses, savings, and investments. Monitor your expenses to reduce unnecessary expenses and invest the difference wisely. 2. Increase your sources of income. To accelerate your journey towards a million, you need to increase your income. Develop your professional skills to get higher paying jobs, and invest your time in side projects such as freelancing or trading. Don't forget to negotiate your salary if you provide additional value in your current job. 3. Invest smartly. Investing is the key to building wealth. Learn how to invest your money in profitable assets such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Don't forget to diversify your investments to reduce risk and ensure stable returns in the long run. 4. Adopt a simple lifestyle. Living a frugal life is essential. Avoid spending on unnecessary luxuries, and save a fixed percentage of your income every month. Focus on what adds real value to your life, and don't give in to unnecessary financial temptations. 5. Continuous learning and personal development. Wealth requires knowledge. Read books about money and investment, and learn from the stories of successful people. Stay up to date with the latest economic and financial opportunities, and continue developing yourself to improve your financial decisions. Conclusion. Becoming a millionaire is not impossible, but it requires long-term commitment, careful planning, and smart financial decisions. By setting a clear goal, investing in yourself, diversifying your income sources, and living within your means, you can build a strong and sustainable financial future. Remember that financial success depends not only on making money, but also on how you manage and grow it over time. Start now, and make discipline and patience your allies on your journey to wealth. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the content and benefited from it, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to support us and follow more upcoming videos. And share your opinions or inquiries in the comments. We always love hearing from you. See you in the next video, and until then, good luck.